Number 10, which of the following could be modeled as a linear decay function? So here we have some real life scenarios, and we've got to figure out which one of these fits the linear decay model. So linear decay, first of all, linear, you should know, is a constant rate of change, which just means it's changing by the same amount each day, each minute, each month, whatever, each year. Linear decay means that it is a negative change. So a negative change each time, but it's the same negative change each time. So we're going to talk through these four answer choices and kind of, as we go through, eliminate ones that we know aren't constant or negative, and see if we can do process of elimination. So option A, a pumpkin pie increases by 2 degrees of heat per minute when it's in the oven. So it's increasing by 2 degrees each minute. So that's a constant rate of change, but an increase of 2 degrees is not a negative change, it is a positive change. So this is linear growth, but I'm looking for linear decay. B, it costs a person $35 a week for gas. So it definitely is changing by the same, meaning like if you think about it in terms of looking at your bank account and buying gas each week, you're gonna see, minus 35 each week for gas. But cost a person 35 a week, I'm not too sure. I'm gonna leave that there though. I can't eliminate it, but I'm gonna see if I can look at the other answers and be more confident in myself. C, a culture of bacteria doubles every 10 minutes. So it is not increasing by the same amount every minute or even every 10 minutes. It's actually doubling. It's multiplying by 2. Anytime you have to multiply to get the next number of items, you have an exponential function. So that would be an exponential growth function. So I can eliminate C. Finally, D, a new car worth $57,000 depreciates 17% per year. So the word depreciates here tells me that it is decreasing, but 17% per year is not a constant every single year. It's changing by the same thing. It's only changing by a percentage. So anytime you see the word depreciates and then followed by a percentage, it should indicate that it's an exponential decay situation. So D is definitely off of my choices. So the only one that makes sense and the only one that I was fairly certain with was B, because it is costing a person $35 a week for gas. So again, if you look at it in terms of like a bank account, if you look at your bank account like online or on an app on a phone, that'll take out $35 a week. So it'll be a subtraction of 35 a week, which is definitely negative, but is constant in terms of the rate of change.